Hi guys, I would like to show you my December daily. I made it after watching a tutorial of mix and match. I'll show the link below. And I had the idea to make it a little bit of a combination of several things. So I thought I made a photo album for the December month. And I put lots of stuff in it where I can write my things, and I also use lots of stash that I had here in my craft room. So as you can see, I made the cover myself, and I use little bells and a nice bow. I distressed all kinds of images and music paper, and of course a big bow to keep all the things together. And here's the first page. I know myself, I don't think I have enough room in this book, so I made a few little gadgets extra that I can use later. It's a little the paper clip with a little funny picture on it, and with a note where I can write some things on if I need. And I use some flip-flops, a card for photos, and some leftover images. I found these on the internet. I have them for quite a while stored on my computer. I don't know where they came from, but they were in my stash also. So on this page I also used kind of embossed glittery things and little nice things to to decorate the whole thing. I put some little pages in it, also with distressed images. I combine a lot. Normally you should not combine those two together, but I think it looked very nice. I distressed the whole thing. And there is room for photos, and of course to write some text, but you can also put a photo on it. I like it. I love doing this. It was very nice. I worked for 2 weeks on it, and yeah, I like it. Here's another funny picture too, with room for writing something. I keep it very simple. You see, I used all kinds of design paper from a paper pack, and I use everything through each other. I did not think about very much if it will fit. I just did something. I'm not worried too much about if it will fit and if it would look nice. And it was surprisingly, it did look nice after all the things together. Look how lovely little birds. For the Dutch people who are watching, it's a paper pack from the Action. I bought it a few weeks ago, and I like this one too. It's also very nice. I put a little ticket behind it. I found these also on the internet, and I can put something behind here. For example, this is a photo. I can put it like this. I love it. I really love it. Here you can write something on it. I use this one because I was too fast with putting going on with the net. There is some glue here, so I put this one, a little text spot. Excuse me for my English. It's not as not my native language. My mother language is Dutch, so probably you heard that I was thinking, shall I make a video in Dutch, but I like to share this with the whole world. There are so many crafters out there and I want to be part of it. So yeah, this is the first video. Yeah, waited too long for it. But now I'm finally thought this morning, well, come on, you must do it. Here's nice. I like this two together. They're nice. Also, everything. And this is the end of the book. I use key rings to bind them all together, but I'm not so happy with the key rings. I have to think about something else. Well, I hope you liked my first video, and well, I hope to see you soon. Bye.